Hello, welcome back. So now let us practice one more problem. A regular hexagonal plane of 30 mm side has a corner on HP and its surface is inclined at 35 degrees to HP. Draw the projections when the diagonal passing through that corner which is on HP makes 30 degrees inclination with VP. First write the data. So what is the data here? Hexagon, side 30 mm, surface is inclined to HP and theta is 35 degrees, resting on side and resting on one of the corner. Then diagonal through the resting corner is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. So now first condition, surface inclined to HP. Surface inclined to HP means parallel to HP. True shape you are getting in top view. You have to start the drawing with the top view. Finish. The second condition is resting on side, resting on corner. Here it is given as a corner, and the figure, the plane figure is a hexagon. Then corner means, so here one side parallel, one side should be parallel. That means automatically corner will be equally inclined. So in that, for that position, first draw the reference line here. At the bottom or at the top you can draw the reference line. At bottom or top you can draw the reference line. Then using template, so placing the required size, that is here you can count 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So match the 30 mm side with that line and mark on that line, mark on that 30 mm line dots, 6 dots. Okay, after marking, join all these points in order, that is first side, second side, third side, fourth side, fifth side. Not too thick, little thick, because it is assumption. Okay, now mark the points here. So I am taking here A, B, C, D, E and F, looking from the front. Okay, and afterwards we will see. And now draw XY line here at convenient distance. First, for this for these figures, okay, in this case, especially in this condition, first draw the plane surface, true shape of, then draw the XY line. That is the best method, XY line. Now project these points upwards, this point upward. Okay, thin line, very thin line. So here again, very thin lines. Even I am using pen, but you should not use pen at all in the drawing, only pencil. Right. Now marking notations in the front view. What you are look, you can look here, F dash you can see, A dash you can see, B dash you can see, C you can see, and D you cannot see, and E you cannot see. Already you know the notations method. Now what is the surface angle given? 35 degrees. So take anywhere point on this XY line, minimum gap 15 mm or 20 mm at 35 mm, mark the point, then draw one thin line like this, a thin line. Then you have to transfer the distances. See here, already you know it. From first point you are taking as F to A, mark here, then A to B, so mark here, then B to C, so transfer here. Now you can write the points as F1 dash, A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash. Okay, then D1 dash is in bracket, E1 dash is in bracket. So how much angle? 35 degrees. So now make the portion within these projectors full thick line, because this is required front view. Now draw the projections downwards, downwards. Thin lines, very very thin lines. All line work should be very very thin, like this. Projectors, projector, projector. Okay, then horizontal projectors from the front view, sorry, from the top view. Don't draw separately, all the points will coincide here. Okay, same line, right. Now look at the points here. F horizontal, F vertical, F1, A horizontal, A vertical, A1, B horizontal, B vertical, B1. Okay, little not parallel line. Okay, so this is B1. Similarly, C1, D1, E1 and F1. Now join all these points in order: A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, okay. So now this is first stage, front view and top view. Okay, now the important stage is to transfer the distances. Here the condition is given that the diagonal through that corner which is on HP makes 30 degrees inclination with VP. Here if you see the diagonal, F and C is the diagonal, and on HP F and C it is the diagonal which is on HP. This should be thick line. Okay, so now, so here also it is inclined, this portion, and here. So here finally F1 and C1, the diagonal you have to transfer here. So for that, at convenient place, mark the point on the XY line, maintain minimum 15 to 20 mm distance between the views, and that angle given is 30 degrees. How much? 30 degrees, correct. So 30 degrees, mark the point. So then draw a thin inclined line, like this, thin inclined line. Now so the angle is 30 degrees. Now using compass you have to transfer this figure here. First take this figure, F1 and C1, diagonal F1 and C1. You can see here F1 and C1. So from here mark the distance. Okay, then similarly take this line also. Here there is no marking, no numbers, just distance. So from here, so mark the point. Similarly from that other end point also mark the point. So now the points here are F2 and here it is C2, right? Now again see here distances from this line, middle, all will be equal, so it is easy to transfer hexagon from here. So here and again here you can transfer. Now you can mark the points here as A2, B2, D2 and E2. So now join all the points in order: A2, B2, right, then A2, C2, right, then D2, thick lines, right, and F2, finally with A2, F2 with A2. Okay, now you have successfully rotated the this final top view to the given angle, that is condition, the what is condition, diagonal is inclined. Okay, now you have to draw the projections upwards. So here the projections all perpendicular lines. Okay, if you are using drafter, very easily you can draw. When you are using scale, carefully draw the perpendicular lines. Okay, then like this, all thin lines. All thin projectors. Okay, don't draw thick lines. It makes the drawing ugly. Okay, so join all the projectors at like this. Then horizontal projectors. Okay, from here again from B1, again from C1. Okay, all thin lines. Okay, projector should be always thin lines. Now you have to locate the points here. First A2 vertical, then A1 horizontal, that is A2 dash. Okay, B2 vertical, B1 horizontal, B2 dash, C2 vertical, C1 horizontal, C2 dash, D2 vertical, D1 horizontal, D2 dash, E2 vertical, okay, vertical, and E2 horizontal, E2 dash, F2 vertical and F1 horizontal, F2 dash. Now you have to join all these points in order. Now join in order. A2 dash, B2 dash, thick line, very thick line. Then B2 and C2 dash. Then C2 with D2 dash. D2 with E2 dash. And E2 with F2 dash. Okay, don't be confused. There itself mark the points, then join all the points in order. Don't worry about the shape. Okay, so now this is the final front view. So again see the conditions. The regular hexagonal plane, 30 mm side, resting on corner, C corner, equally inclined. Condition, surface inclined 35 degrees to HP, true shape is in top view, good. The front view is rotated for 35 degrees, good, correct. Then you obtained the final top view, good. Then here the condition is given that diagonal is making 30 degrees inclination with VP in HP, inclination 30 degrees line. You have transferred the figure here, you have marked the points, then vertical projections, horizontal projections, like that you have to obtain the views. So VP and HP. Okay, so like this. I hope you have understood this also.